In this video, I'll show you how to load paper in the Epson Workforce 2930 printer. The paper tray is located at the back of the printer, so we're going to turn it around to access it. At the back, you'll see this grey tray. You want to pull it up and then let it fall back like this. Then you'll see the two blue sliders. This is for the page width. So for A4 size paper, with your two thumbs, you're going to pull them the whole way across so the paper can fit in. Now we're going to align the paper and simply glide it in between these two blue tabs. So once you've done that, push the two blue tabs against the paper, but not too tight so that it creases the paper. It should look like this. And it's now been installed correctly. So when you're ready to print, you can simply pull out this tray at the front of the printer so that the paper doesn't fall on the floor. So we'll flip this tab up. So that's how to load the paper in the Epson Workforce 2930.